Not even wearing pants right
Hella big.
Wow. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We're actually gonna do a different kind of trapping video. We're actually gonna do a bird trapping video. Hopefully we got you one. If you do, leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, let's do this. I don't know. So you're gonna need a stick, a basket, some string. I use fishing line because I think the bird can't be able to see it well because I don't know, it's clear. So guys, in order to make this trap, I think it's really simple. All you need is 4 things. 4 things. A container, a basket like this one, but make sure there's holes in it for the bird to breathe in, because you don't want to suffocate your bird. You want to get a stick, okay? Just saying, guys, there are more and totally much better traps than this one. Yeah, you get seeds. You can get these at like Lowe's. I don't know, wherever you find seeds, I don't know. And okay, you tie off the string to the bottom of the stick. No. And use it simple. You go ahead, put the stick like that. Go ahead, put your seeds in there. Okay. This is the bird, okay? Well, I think we got him. Gosh, we got him. We got him. Go ahead, set it up. Now, that poor thumb. There you go. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Looks like there's the bird. Will he be our first victim? We'll see. Never mind. It's a big bird. Alright.
When you move, I think get up the basket.
Yeah,
Hurry
yeah.
up, quick. Quick. I think we move like that and then come out. You up and then your hands do like that, huh?
Yeah.
Ayan, may move.
Okay. I'm your best cameraman. Alright, you're doing good. Not even wearing pants right
Hella big. La, 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 la. Yes.
He got one.
It's big, isn't it? Papa, we didn't keep it.
Get the towel. Bring the towel.
We're not keeping it.
Wait. Oh, we didn't keep it, Pa. Oh, we didn't keep it. I thought we were gonna keep it.
Are we gonna
Look
keep
at that?
Yeah, can I pet it?
No, it's fat.
Beautiful.
Fat.
Say don't touch.
Hindi ka man konta.
Look at
We
that.
can put.
Get a clear shot.
Put in
Like
the cage.
picture?
Yeah.
Put it
Right there,
in
I took
the
3.
cage.
Beautiful bird.
Kids, I think he
No, not
fight.
cage, not cage. Wow.
Your camera's so HD.
Pat.
Adri sa isulod oh.
clear.
This first.
That's perfect.
Wait, ano, wait.
Ow, I'm stepping on fishing line.
Take a look at that, guys.
Wait, ano, wait.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yep.
Here, let me get a close look at the wings. Wow.
Wait, ano, pa.
Careful not to
I don't
let
want
it
to stress this guy out. Oh,
I think here.
freezing.
Here, it's big.
Let go and look at the feathers. That is really cool, actually. Get a nice zoom in, nice clear. Look at that. So yeah.